oui mort important, book or peuple? Te question wa posée d'ingest, butové te iriad comme un cringly to believe taif te librarian 20 europenais, un cool flow from them raté en blood. Even so, he did no expect him to answer book. Te librarian held out te suspense. More cocoa? Please. The satin te blesse de silence provided by the museum digital baffle, seeing from murmug, will you wait to se wala to shome. I first met librarian a an 8-year-old bibliophile whose most vivid childhood memory were of the local public library and the thrill of Alto's book waiting to buried. Taboyard gronato a book collector, how be pursued par moment let away from me every day du Sierra Minor Government Functionary. Quacoa finished, the librarian led me past 20 days of the reading room, past the silquintero errance librarian had checked out the less valuable book from the collection, to the sanctuary, the rare book room. To be precise, the rare book room. The British Library, after all. It needed more than a room for a rare book. The librarian indicated a new display cabinet had been given a place of honor événement assemblée Gutenberg en Caxton, quelle optique, en first en second folio. The book lay open à page 1. Some of the will of metal may have been in rare circumstance. For here the lived Daniel Wheaton a noté in the naked desert, undetended for even? No, he said. E.T. No. He. The librarian face crazed and tot broadest of unexpected smile. Of the several library book collector Tiwa Mont most sacred, the 1922 first edition of the Lawrence Seven Pillars of Wisdom, which had privately printed at Oxford University Press. Turvron liet copy mad, 6 vera cointe for buno, it se emed, tan be had gone up to 7. Where nert did you fight? He asked, when you are finally ready to take a break from inspecting it, gazing at it, and generally drinking into on day of it. I suppose a new mote must feel something similar when contemplating her first chill. It was all alone, said the librarian. Tucked away in none of the storeroom. It had somehow been labeled an architectural treatise belonging to the collection of the Cup of Oriental Antiquity, back in the when museum and library share promise. He only came across it by chance. The bot gazed at it. To think, he said, you're probably the first person to touch the book after Lawrence himself. And then there had WHO to get a book on architecture, said the librarian. I suspect no WHO might have been. If as grateful and contemplated appropriate punishment for misfilling a book. Looking at him, it occurred to me that hardly changed a lint iriad knonim, graying bureau meaning on the cusp of actual wit, complexion à palette artificial light, teint face bisected vital moon glass permanently resting on the tip of his nose. In fact, the librarian might have looked at home in a mortuary, striding between the cold slab. He confessed I something felt, have valked to see long corridor of the library, I favored pathologist of a lost literary culture. Have you uploaded it yet? The librarian shook his head. Remise of me, no, we wanted to share me discovery first. I shall, you say, upload it. Promptly. Interested la will be able to inspect perfect three-dimensional copy of the book, will those more concerned to hold upon of a dinner party conversation could don lad neural input sufficient to inculcate a comfortable memory of having read a book, without tiresome necessity of having to look at it. After all, with most literature people want to have read a book, not to actually read it. Inur rush dans Urivorld, neural input mentaio kulbriad alt classic oft canon in en afternoon en sti team for dîner. Sti, dead, on miss lo wanding out of the library en back un tot ordinary world, im sur ta wit a fin lik it will be a feular who will want to set actual book. Posed at exi. What do you think? The librarian shoe kid, the light reflecting on e-glass. No, I do not think they will come. No even 40. Began to closed door, then stopped. Come back in a week, said. I ma have something to show you. It. But door had closed, cutting off me question. The librarian alve showed me in out of one of the seed entrancement for staff. The goal of the public entrance remained open, like someone discovered Kevin a forgotten country. I turned up me collar, engaged digital baffle, closed me here toute bable of information, en set of un tot modern world. Avait éclaté you back, Bruno alone. A constant stream of people most of them academic bit Q of sergon wagouin in en out of the main en trance. Ou herbe forte greaola de stud sepulcral no excited dollar disputed with EOTers en student of on errant, oui il wa après tout bas positive chrome wa developing around de main information des que, on wish wa displayed à prominence in pointing to toute Laurence display. Message flash du pombo à ronte ou à lancer ligne, directing interested partie toute life cycle of Teville, second floor, Rogi, shelf mark DX80130 DSC, typostasis of Tarkchon, tier floor, row, shelf mark 412.978000 DSC, en cas relation à Montchave, subasement 4, Robé. Shelf mark .2005.A.10262. De message constantly changed, until realized at evertance where ben given toute crowd of importunate lar clustered around Mendezek. Enter, in the center of the circle, surrounded by a team of junior assistant, what a librarian. Unoded of arm, spoke a favor to one of the acolyte, enrolled himself from the desk. I gestured, en compassing te people, te bustle, te sheriff. I astonishing, I said. Extraordinary. What happened? In an unexpected gesture of intimacy, the librarian took me arm. I must confess that it took me by surprise, I didn't so much flinch as Stephen. But avaran fort degré of excitement, I don't believe the librarian even noticed. Led me across the Great Hall, shrugging of the frantic enquiry of desperate dollar, en piloted me through gone of the door marked staff only. Peace and calm immediately descended. Would you me invalking? Asked the librarian. I do so fear I shall be immediately accosted if the venture to lift, but would like to show you around don't day of all day. The mad way up the stair. You are no, I believe, a specialist in information theory. No exactly, no. Spreadsheet understand, what produced amidon. Then I shall have to make use of analogy, cet librarian. Consider your brain, I core it spinal core ante primitive brain structure tave charui tote cordate. The structure are the basis for alt achievement of the human being. From Shakespeare sonnet to David Salin to Mozart music. But a kawet substructure en no Shakespeare. No, there are some very primitive part of the modern, interconnected world, part have been tore from the beginning but have been all but forgotten a more elaborate network were built on top. But Trion place where the zolting are still recorded. The librarian stopped on turned to look down. I must confess you are grateful for the break, at Klingbois proving longetant I had anticipated. The library. The librarian resumed Klimb, speaking of a shoulder. In fact, some of the text have never been uploaded. Glanced back am, smiling. Can you credit? It was relatively straightforward to find information on ten or more of the key substructure. So, for today's list, you are attempting to access information will find error message on a notice advising him to repair to a local public library. A last arrived at the top of the staircase opposite at door. Leus quietly inspect evidence of early activity. It was, perhaps, unfortunate that the librarian opened the door at the precise instant a research dropped the book was extracting from the shelf. Dropped the book because was trying to simultaneously answer iPhone will no spill in a cup of coffee. Tank, $7. At the librarian swooped in, a literary falcon, and swept the book from the floor. You hidden at the librarian put the book back on the shelf. Ineita said. Give me your library card, said the librarian. Taking the proffered card, the librarian first scrutinized embedded picture for resemblance to a subject since it had only been taken that morning. Little plotted lapsed for variation between image and reality to develop. Then, producing a small pair of scissors from his pocket, the librarian proceeded to cut membership card in two, taking a particular delight in bisecting the picture. Bu? Stammered the researcher. Your membership is cancelled. Kindly leave the building. After opening and closing him would affect him if to speak from the librarian face sufficient him to stop him to trudge over the lift. And switch off your phone. The didn't move until the lift door closed. The librarian sent a message down to reception to tell them to escort erstwhile reader from the premise. Thus, the librarian proved good mode ablated of the drancourt cocaine sommeting approach in silence. He opened the book abuse the scene will prove to be a solitary lapse, but sadly to note case. Descending at level came across multiple cases of unauthorized eating and drinking, virmani en illicit conversation, but local ambiphone. Turvera distressing number of cases of actual biblio-arm, suchapage corner bain tourné au v en book bain retourné toute vranchelve, en a fait livre instance of GBH, grivou biblion-arm, ou airport, innocent volume ad not written on ser margien overlet paralysed with their spine broken. Tilas toi particularly sad case. The found principle of lingerie be original de spot de ligne abandonné en adès que, I spin cracked, I contents exposed, en 8 numéro marginal marque souligne virginal purity. Of the malfactor 3 no simmeillon à cramplé de souhait wrappé. Faced with ti outrage, the librarian dit de sommeting truly extraordinary. Spod, of course, should have been taken for immediate repair but doté urgent task to attend to. So, ratétant exposed the book to furte abuse, the librarian deliberately Michelvite. He was shocked. Buten, a réalisation donnée of the scope of the librarian sacrifice, surprise tournée into admiration. Truly, it aggravating you do today? But librarian indicaté de silence. It was a library, after all. Nota you could have told from the behavior of most of the reader, every verve the constant background noise of conversation, modulated by the mastication of manijo. It would seem that today Larry unable to engage Brown to first starting Joe. Business appointment and clan of me for the rest of the day. So he let the librarian to bat against the wave of human facelessness who are facing, buical just before the library closed. The librarian also heard in some mode. He supposed after such will prefer not to apparent on his criminality. What they gone? Even through the phone, the librarian sounded tirade. It only grelongé. Ita porta mani bukav binoro placet vrongli, soifiri avmani urvor kayadri arrangignat chulva. Despit te la kof vision ikul dalbus te librarian shakin id. Itoi nevelik ti in Alexandria. Uuldiuli comme tuel. No tankiu. Im surve comment excuse-me, sire, tabouk no forlan? Telin odid. Tenex veik, aftevor kawamio on, hiu toute librairie où il sti open. Teniusad bin on lit plels but le soft country académique data retrieval, soit tle surprise tat que applying to beriader even longe tombe fort. Passing to des careao or application ver procède, y réalisait it ou dont liget longe. Last veik, int librarian enthousiasme forte znioriader, te des cad bin manabia librai test anti-kest staff. Today, te roi Juston, raté de crpi, librarian on duty, arofiring en lansaitet ou bot. Te chiev librarian, ove, wano in office. Nor kuldi fin int sti cruded au reading room, en exploration muche distracted bit évidence de forme offrant en book abuse. Bit timi retournait toute gréao liwa albu trembling from te dreful timi adocine. Tiwao erte librarian messager éventuali funadme. Iwa takandon trugal te level of te library to ibasement. Trifun te librarian, en outouim, arin outstruched. Midir frien, ok en yubirit. Te librarian posed in ivork. Ah, I am glad for your vor. Sommetimit un qui am juste en old bachelor, gron set anyway, unable to adjust to modern team. Buyu agré, ti behavior you trajou. It canogon. Are you going to reconnect te library tout net au orc? Te librarian chou kid, sommet arue fuli. Ulta it verta easy. Ita porta nos repères impossibles. Of course, intant outzi de agency will trace te faux en rectifit, butimi of te censure. If action in taken soon, some book will be damaged by en repère. En albu forgotten vrite of te ancienne century said, I accept the risk of damnation. The Lord will absolve me, because Kno I acted for I glory. Me duty wa to protect the library. Or, en even more obscure author remarqued, if you will pardon infelicity en paraphrase, I am one of the secret master of the world. I am a librarian. I contrôle information. Dont evepisme of. The librarian study. Comme said, Leus goans. The merge from the lift en wow ton roof terrace. Looking down, far down, equals a constant stream of librarian loading book into the back of a flare of lorry. Where are taking the book? I asked. A library ideal in security ma place for all to study. Butois à bourrine laisse certain âge? Histority justa event greatest collection ma fall victime tout ignorant mob, if te are no guarded. Have, far from her, mad provision forte safety of this book. A noter library, button taïsaf, securant, most important of all, secret. Anti am taking the book. I watched at the last of the lorry drove away, desiring to twilight. The stood in silence a night drain of the city. Far below, the library had closed the door. The librarian was waiting for the meeting, all to guided no know what might be. Antenne, on beyond, we too en ifus, the light out. En une naturale qui est begant to spread across the city at darkness spread. What happening? Do you remember asking me which was more important, book or people? Of course, me en swear at playful, but netless you have become incredibly concerned about divergence between culture civilisation en alta book reprose, story, knowledge, art, law, science. Tevan of the last fede have decided me. if even arcano be trusted with book, tenti society can no longer be called civilized. Therefore, it in to star again. Gesture toward spreading a pool of darkness, out of which a crangy for a lol scram already spilling. If you know what to do, a complex mechanism easy to destroy. Many things can be found in old, forgotten book. But I'll fix it, till find why you've done or repair it. It is not easy, my friend. Process have been set in motion that cannot be stopped. Comme, it in to depart, altug, en at the point wave of feeling poeto kawet library on light on electricity, if you will have to use to staircase. The last is all of me on a team free I'm climbing into the last lorry to leave the library and driving off into the darkness. Ivry Totino, be candlelit, some monclaté, I'm afraid I have lost track of Texadat. I will sell me testimony in about the en place it in room of the library, the mob destroyed much of the building some vehicle go even to the night food or fuel. If, someday, my old friend emerge from my sanctuary with the book to start a new civilization I hope my record might be found, a short coin of time of tomorrow.